In today's video, I'm going to show you how to chat with Meta AI in your WhatsApp group chats. Ever wish you had an AI to help answer questions or give advice right in your group chat? Well, now you can with Meta AI. Let's dive into exactly how to use it and make your WhatsApp group chats smarter. Step 1. Check if Meta AI is available in your region. First things first, Meta AI is currently only available in select countries and supports 5 languages: English, Spanish, Portuguese, French, and Hindi. So if you don't see the option to use it in your group chat, it might not be available in your area just yet. But don't worry, it's rolling out gradually. Step 2. Open your WhatsApp group chat. Open the group chat where you want to use Meta AI. This can be any group you're a part of, your friends, family, or even work groups. Just make sure everyone's okay with having a little AI action in the chat. Step 3. Mention Meta AI in the chat. Now here's the fun part. To ask Meta AI a question, just type the @ symbol in the message field, followed by Meta AI. You'll see Meta AI pop up in the list. Click it, and then type your question. For example, you could ask, @Meta AI, what's a good recipe for a quick dinner? Or if you're in a group planning a trip, @Meta AI, what's the weather forecast for the weekend? Meta AI will jump right in with an answer. Step 4. Accept the terms and send your message. If it's your first time using Meta AI, you'll be prompted to read and accept the terms of service. Just go ahead and click accept, and you're ready to chat. Once you've typed your question, hit send, and Meta AI will respond right there in the group chat. Everyone in the group can see the conversation, so it's great for collaborative discussions. Step 5. Respond to Meta AI. You can also reply to Meta AI if you need more info or want to continue the conversation. Just hover over the AI's message, click the menu button, and select Reply. Type your message and click Send again, and Meta AI will continue to help you out. And that's how easy it is to chat with Meta AI in your WhatsApp group. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to smash that like button, and if you have any questions or cool ways you've used Meta AI in your chats, let me know in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the Tutorial Lab for more tech tips and tricks. Bonus tips. Before we wrap up, here are a few important things to keep in mind when using Meta AI in your group chats. 1. Meta AI can only respond when you mention it. It's not going to read your whole chat, so make sure to always type @Meta AI if you want a response. 2. Privacy and security. Even though you're chatting with an AI, your personal messages and calls on WhatsApp remain end-to-end encrypted. This means not even Meta or WhatsApp can see your private chats. 3. Feedback. If you like Meta AI's responses or find them unhelpful, you can give feedback by clicking on the menu next to the AI's message and rating it as a good or bad response. This helps improve future interactions. 4. Accuracy. Keep in mind, Meta AI is still learning, so some of its answers might not always be perfect. Always double-check any critical information it provides. That's it for today's tutorial on using Meta AI in your WhatsApp group chats. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps make your group chats even more fun and productive. See you in the next video. Bye for now.